My lovely people, welcome back to my channel. This is Queen Nikki. Today I want to show you how to install proper dread, and I'm using Jamaica locs 1 pack. For you to achieve this favorite dread, you need to pick the dread and make sure you measure it into 2 and cut it at the middle for a proper dread installation. Then you begin to pick it just the way I'm doing it. You pick it small, not too much. You pick it for a proper installation and to make it look natural. This particular one, the way you install this Jamaica locs is quite different from the one we've been doing. I mean the old dread, the technique of installing the dread. This particular one is different because it's locked already and is looking like woman dread, so the installation is quite different. After that, you begin to braid the natural hair just the way I'm doing it here. Please, why you want to install this dread, make sure you count the dread properly. If the dread is 50, that means the braid is also 50. So after that, I love starting from the front to make the front smaller, and in case the middle will be more bigger. So after that, you continue with the installation, and just pay attention and make sure you watch this tutorial from the beginning to the end so that you won't mix any technique of doing this lovely installation dread. So, and I would love to see your comments in the comment section below. If this video is helpful, let's get started. So you make sure for you to achieve this hairstyle, you need your needle and thread. You need your needle and thread. And while using your thread, make sure the thread is not obvious. Make sure the thread is hid inside, not showing on top of the thread. So after that, this is the one I've done. Can you all see it look natural like a real thread? So let's start. So you pick the thread and to grip the hair just the way I'm doing it, you grip it like just 2 inches. After that, you take your needle and thread to secure the down, the roots of the gripping, to make it look more natural and beautiful. So while gripping the roots, make sure the thread is not showing. Make sure it's not showing, and you don't have to cross the thread over the braid. Make sure you hide it, and you need your crochet pin as well for you to get proper look. So this is how you use your crochet pin. You pass it for you to hide the braid inside. Can you just see? So after that, you will use your needle and thread to secure it properly. And the reason why we are using our crochet pin is for us to hide the braid inside properly. You know, some people will install this dread and you'll be seeing their natural hair. Is very wrong while doing a professional installation. So that is why I'm actually using this crochet pin to wrap it inside before using my needle and thread. Just make sure you watch the tutorial from the beginning to the end, and I believe you guys will love the outcome of this hairstyle. It's very simple and easy to install. Just pay attention. So these are the one I've done, and this is the way you secure the thread with the needle and thread. Make sure the grip, the roots is tight. Then you use your needle and thread to secure it. That is how you keep going. These are the one we've done so far. Can you all see? It's looking natural and the thread is not showing. That is why you need to pay attention on this else tie for you to achieve a proper look of the installation. So that is how you keep going. Make sure you wrap the braid inside very well before tacking it, so that it won't be showing after finish the installation, and make sure you tie it very well. So that is how you keep going with the else tie. These are the one we've done so far. Can you all see? It's looking natural already. So make sure you tack the roots very well. That is how you keep going. Can you just see the way I'm passing my thread? I'm passing it like this so that it won't be obvious that we use needle and thread. And these are the one we've done so far. Can you guys see that it's looking natural already? And the hair, the braid is not showing. Can you see? Yeah. So while doing this Jamaica locks, please don't make it too full. One pack is enough for you to make it look natural and to be very more easier for you to tie on your own. So after, when you use the needle and thread, you tie it very well, like 4 to 5 times. Make sure you tie it very well. When you just see that it's like 4 to 5, then you trim the excess thread away and use your hand to lock it just the way I'm doing it. Lock it very well to make sure the thread is blended together with the braid. So we are almost done with our installation. Can you see the way I'm gripping the roots? You grip it with the braid together before you start using your needle and thread. Now I want to begin my needle and thread. Can you just see this hairstyle is so lovely? The installation is lovely and it's very easy, only if you can pay attention and watch it from the beginning to the end. So that is how you keep going. This is the last one we are installing, so pay attention for you to see the way I'm installing the Jamaica locks. Is quite different from the old thread we've been doing. This one is locked already. It's just for you to install it in a proper way and a professional way. And this is the best way of installing these Jamaica locks. So you keep tacking it with the needle and thread. Can you just see? Make sure you keep it inside very well. Then after that, you take your crochet pin to hide the braid inside the thread and to make it easier for you to lock. Can you just see the way I'm doing it? You need to be careful while passing it inside for the thread not to look scattered. So after that, you take your needle and thread again and you begin to tack it just the way I'm doing it. It's very, very easy to install. Just pay attention. You don't need to rush yourself while installing this Jamaica. So after that, you tack it very well. Then you cut the excess wool away and make sure you wrap it very well with your hand, just the way I'm doing it, to make it look more natural. After that, you go on and apply your mousse. You shake it very well, then you apply the mousse. So after that, if you wish, you apply your edge control to style it. So you apply this mousse just the way I'm adding it. After rubbing it all over the thread, you begin to lock the dread more. So you are using the mousse to lock it very well, because while passing the crochet pin, the dread might have looked scattered. So you're using the mousse to blend it together, and you lock it very well with your hand. While locking it, just take it 2 or 3. Don't overpack, to make sure you lock it very well. So after the locking, you take your scissors and trim any excess thread. You trim them away, and you continue again to lock it very well. Just make sure you lock it, and to make the hair look natural. So after that, you spray or sheen to the scalp to make the scalp look shiny. So after that, you can go on and apply your edge control or eco styling gel to adjust the edges. Then you put your Nova spray, you spray it over the dread, and we are done for our installation of Jamaica locs. Then you continue to pack the hair the way you want it. If you want to style it, you go ahead, but make sure you are not packing it the first day. Make sure you leave the hair for like some days to before you begin to style it, to avoid headache for your clients. And this is the final look of our